more embarrassment for Pakistan after President's photo op with squadron leader Shivangi. Prime Minister Modi has now hailed President's Rafale sortie. Prime Minister Modi has clearly said President flew Rafale with Shivangi, and Prime Minister Modi further asserted that India's daughters are flying the fighters. Take a listen.
अभी 2 दिन पहले ही हमारी राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी ने राफेल फाइटर प्लेन में उड़ान भरी और इसमें उनकी साथी बनी स्क्वाड्रन लीडर शिवांगी सिंह। आज हमारी बेटियां फाइटर जेट उड़ा रही हैं और ड्रोन दीदी बनकर आधुनिक कृषि को भी बढ़ावा दे रही है।
All right, and that was Prime Minister Narendra Modi clearly hailing that picture of President Murmu along with squadron leader Shivangi Singh. Of course, no captions there, but remember Shivangi Singh was the Air Force pilot who Pakistan said had been captured. Well, to talk more on this, my colleague Shiv is now joining me live. Shiv, tell us more about how there's just a big slap for Pakistan at this point of time, but the Prime Minister also hailing that picture of President Murmu with Shivangi Singh, the same pilot who Pakistan claimed was captured.
Rahesha, given the kind of unbelievable meltdown that's been taking place in Pakistan, across its national media, across its social media, and even within its government over this picture of squadron leader Shivangi Singh with President Murmu, which NDTV first reported, I'm not surprised even one single bit that the Prime Minister was tempted to invoke it in one of his speeches today, because it is really representative of the kind of joke that Pakistan is. This is a country that officially, unofficially, and everywhere in between had claimed that squadron leader Shivangi Singh was their captive, that she had been shot down in her Rafale and had been taken prisoner by the Pakistani forces and was being held in Pakistan. And here she is, out in the open, completely posing with President Murmu. The Prime Minister was always going to mention this because, like we've always seen, the Prime Minister takes the armed forces at very, very high value. He keeps in touch with them. I wouldn't be surprised, for instance, if the Prime Minister has already spoken, to the people concerned as well. Fun fact, squadron leader Shivangi Singh happens to be from Varanasi, which is the Prime Minister's Lok Sabha constituency as well. And when she became the first Rafale pilot, woman Rafale pilot back in 2017, that was a moment of pride as well. So Shivangi Singh out there in the open, business as usual for the Indian Air Force, Operation Sindoor very much still on, Prime Minister invoking it and talking about the bravery and valor of the armed forces and this incredible picture that has broken the internet, and in many ways the spirit of Pakistan is something really to be commended.
Right. Thanks, Shiv, for getting us the latest and sharing your insights on this. Let's again listen in to what the Prime Minister said. He mentioned that picture of the President along with squadron leader Shivangi Singh in one of his rallies today. Take a listen.
अभी 2 दिन पहले ही हमारी राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी ने राफेल फाइटर प्लेन में उड़ान भरी और इसमें उनकी साथी बनी स्क्वाड्रन लीडर शिवांगी सिंह। आज हमारी बेटियां फाइटर जेट उड़ा रही हैं और ड्रोन दीदी बनकर आधुनिक कृषि को भी बढ़ावा दे रही है।